Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Umair Hassan. Today in this video, I am going to solve October-November 2023, paper 1-2, question 23, and that is from Venn diagram. In this question, they have given you the data that a shopkeeper, a shop sell hats represented by H, scarves represented by S, and gloves represented by G. And you can see the circles. This is the rectangle for universal set. This is circle for hat. This is the circle representing scarves, and this is the circle representing the gloves. A group of 40 people are asked which item they buy in the shop. So 40 people who visited the shop and buy something and maybe not. So they ask from them that what did you buy from the 40 people. Whatever they responded, those 40 people, the results are shown in this Venn diagram. Some of the results are shown. Two people buy all three items. So there are two people who buy all three items: hats, scarves, gloves. Those two people will be located here. This is the region where there is an overlapping between hats, scarves, and gloves. So these two people will be placed here. These two are those who buy hats. You can see that this two is in the circle of hats, this two is in the circle of scarf, and this two is also included in gloves. So these two people buy all three items. Those people that buy both a hat and a scarf also buy gloves. Well, I can say that they are talking about the same two people. Those who buy both a hat mean they buy hat, they buy a scarf, and also buy gloves. So that is this one which they have already told us. So this will remain empty. Nothing, no information is given how many people buy hat and scarf. Because those who buy hat and scarf, they also bought gloves. So we can't say anything about this. So there is no person in this region as per the given data. Four people buy exactly two items. So there are four people who buy two items. So four will be written here. These four people buy scarves and gloves. Two items. This is not to be placed here because why? Because those who will buy hat and scarf, they are bound to buy gloves according to statement number 2. That's why we cannot place 4 over here. 4 will be placed over here because these 4 people will buy scarf and gloves, exactly 2 items. Use this information to complete the Venn diagram. Great. So we have entered the relevant data in the relevant fields. Now let us see, is there any other information missing? Total number of people are 40. So 10 are here, 3 are here, 13 plus 2, 15 plus 4, 19 plus 5, 24. So if you count number of people in this Venn diagram, they are 24. If you count all of them, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 2, 15 plus 4, 19 plus 5. These 5 are those who did not buy anything. So 24 are those which are present here. Where are the rest of the 16 people? Because total people who were interviewed, they were 40. So 16 people will be in this region because these 16 are those who buy only gloves. Now you have 40 people in this Venn diagram. This is how you can solve a question of Venn diagram. The important thing is that start from the region which is combined in all the three circles. Then move on to the region which is common in the two circles, like this one, and this one. Then go to this region where you have only one thing present. Like here you have scarves, this is for hat, this is only for gloves, and these in are those who didn't buy anything. Part 2 is work out number of elements in this region, which is S intersection, mean the region which is common. This is for common. Common region of H union G complement and S. The region which is common between H union G complement. Let us shade H union G complement. You know H union G. H union G. These two circles are H union G. H and G. You will shade these two circles because this is H union G. But in complement, in H union G complement, you shade the region other than H union G. Mean H and G complement mean no H, no G. Outside region other than H and G will be shaded. So this region will be shaded, this one, which must not include H and G. This region must not include H and G. So you will include this region as far as this one because this does not include H and G. So this is complement. Outside region which I have shaded is complement of H union G. Now what is common between H union G complement? Mean these lines are showing the complement of H union G. What is the common part of this region with S? S, this one. So this region, this is the region which is a common region of complement of H union G. This region is present in complement of H union G. This is also present in S. So how many elements are there? 10. So number of elements in this region, this is 10. 10.